What's going on, everybody? Here to make another episode on the old RM here. We are going to be, in this episode, pulling everything down, getting her down to a bare frame. And I kind of want to figure out how, kind of got a color already that's pretty close to this. My camo would focus, that'd be great. I have a bunch of paint for my focus. It's almost identical as far as paint goes, so honestly, instead of going and buying paint, I think that's the magnetic metallic. Honestly, I think it looked pretty sweet on this. It's almost identical. I mean, even this frame has the flaking in it and everything for the paint, so honestly, that's probably the path I'm going to go with the frame. But I mean, I want to, clean up all the rust and everything. I'm going to pull it down. I'm going to send the shock to get rebuilt. Same with the front suspension. Take all the bearings out, grease them, replace anything that needs to be done. Hopefully, I should be able to just take everything apart, grease it all, But, so we're just going to get her down to a bare frame today, and probably all that I'll do in this episode. Just make it a quick one. But yeah, we're just going to hop right into it, and I will update you guys if I find anything along the way, and we will go from there. Alright guys, we are down to the frame. So I think next step, I kind of got to gather a list together over the next day or so of what all I actually want to put on the bike as far as replacement parts go. But next we're going to clean up the old frame here and give her a paint job probably, and then honestly start putting her back together. I got the shock there, that's got to go get rebuilt. Those ones got to go get rebuilt. Honestly, I could probably do those, but that one I'm going to have rebuilt. Triple clamps are in pretty rough shape. I'll probably replace those. The frame's pretty rough. I still got to decide what bearings, if I'm going to replace any. Go over conditions of everything and like the swing arm and everything. So yeah, we're gonna get to cleaning this old thing up and see how she turns out. Alright guys, so we are over here and we got the bike outside, or the frame, and I am not gonna do like a massive cleaning on this, but I think I'm just gonna try to clean up all the major rust spots. And then I got this paint just for my focus, and we're just gonna, it's almost about the same color as the frame for this, so I'm just going to sand it down and we're gonna give her a quick paint. I'm gonna obviously remove all the bolts and everything from it. We got the missus over here and her throne. How do you feel?
Cold.
It's not cold out, it's about 80 degrees, but so yeah, we're just gonna probably do a little time lapse here, try to get her all cleaned up. I'm gonna obviously tape that off when I paint the frame, but for the most part I don't think I can pull these rubber grommets off. Actually, I might have to just, nah, I'm not gonna worry about that. Those will just get painted. I'm not super worried about a lot of the stuff getting painted. But yeah, so I guess we'll just get right into her, huh?
Right on.
Alrighty then. Alright guys, we're gonna start her off with some Chemical Guys degreaser here. I'm just gonna spray down the frame. Alright guys, we gave her a nice suds bath. Pretty much all the grease is off the frame now, so I'm just going to go ahead and kind of clean up around the rust areas. Like I said, we're not doing anything super special, and we're just going to give her some nice little paint job here. And hopefully we'll have our frame looking somewhat decent. And then we'll I got most of the parts in for it, not everything yet, but should be coming together. So we're just gonna hop right into the rust cleansing. Alright guys, we made a basement get remodeled, so we made a little DIY paint booth down here. Got all the big, nice rust spots off of there. There's a few small ones, but it's nothing big. So I'm gonna get to painting with my camera would focus. This Ford paint. If I could get it to adjust. There you go, magnetic metallic. So should look pretty good on this, so we're gonna get right into it. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. I think the frame turned out pretty alright for, you know, just doing a really bad sandblasting job and kind of doing slightly by hand. We did get all the major rust spots off, and I think the paint turned out great. I mean, it's on there too. It's a nice paint. I think it looks all right. I mean, obviously it's nothing that's gonna win a show, but I mean, the bike's just gonna be ripped around every once in a while, so I think it'll look good just kind of chilling there. Got most of my parts in for the bike, so we're going to get some more videos out about the engine. I'd show you guys that, but we're getting our basement redone and my garage is completely full. It's also kind of why it's taking me a little bit to get this video out, so probably try to do that. I got a couple other videos I can shoot out, so I hope you guys enjoyed this, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.